Hello everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronert, and I'm here with another STEM Week challenge. Today's challenge is Take It Apart Tuesday, Nature Dissection. Let's take a look at what you need to complete this activity. For today's activity, you're going to need a container or bag to collect items from nature. I have a plastic bag here to put mine in. You'll need scissors, a magnifying glass if you have one, glue, paper, and something to write with, and a clear cup. Okay, let's take a look at what you do. The first thing you're going to do is collect an item from nature. It could be a flower, a pine cone, a leaf, or something else. I'm going to take my bag and collect a few different items from nature, and when I finish, I'll come back and show you. Okay, I'm back, and look at all of the great things I found. I hope you find a lot of good things when you go out searching. Now, what do I do with the items that I find? Well, the first thing I want to do is dissect my item. That means take it apart and look and see what I can find. Ask yourself, what do you notice and wonder about the things that you found? Can you name the parts? Then we'll find out what happens when we place the items in water. Okay, let's take a look at some of the items I brought back from my nature hunt. One of the fun things I found were these really pretty little flowers. They're shaped kind of like a little cup. See that? They've got a hole in the center. So I'm going to take one of these apart. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. Hey, there is a little straight line there. I think that might be the plant's pistil. Now, if I take apart this little part of my flower, I wonder what's inside. Oh, you know what? Oh, I found something inside. How cool. It's like a little treasure hunt. Oh, look at that. I found some teeny tiny little pieces. Now, I'm going to find out what happens when I put some of these pieces into water. And I have a cup of water right here. Let's see. I'm going to set these in. Put them in with my finger. Hey, those little pieces float right on top. What happens when I set the petals in? I wonder if they'll float too. Hey, the petals are floating too. Okay, I have a leaf. I wonder what will happen when I put the leaf in water. Let's see, here's a leaf. I know what that is. Hey, look at that leaf. It's floating right there on the top of my cup. Cool. Wonder if all of the parts of my plant will float. I'm going to try the stem now. Let's see, there's the stem. Does it float? Hey, that's pretty cool. I did find some different things though. Should we look and see? I think that's a great idea. I found some teeny tiny little seeds. Do you see those seeds? Yeah, they're so little. They're baby seeds. I want to find out what happens if I put the seeds in the water. Let's try it. Hey, oh my goodness, my seeds are floating too. That's pretty amazing. Now that we've looked at all of the parts of our plant, dissected it, if you have a magnifier, you can take some time to really look at the parts with a magnifier as well. Once we finish that, we get to do one other thing with these plant parts that we found, and that is create. Use the parts of the plant or natural item that you found to create something new. Use glue, tape, colors, and other art supplies to make something beautiful out of the parts of your item. I'm going to do that right now, and I'll show you when I finish. So there we go. I created a beautiful picture with some of the items I found. I decided to turn this long leaf into a snake, and I used some flower petals to create a butterfly. I can't wait to see what you make out of your items. You can take a picture of your artwork and upload it into Seesaw. Thanks for joining me today.